What's up, y'all? It's your girl Toss today, back with another video. So today we're gonna get our nails done, okay? Cause baby girl, look. What is this? We gotta get her done, okay? So we finna get her done. Oh, hold on. If you is not subscribed to this channel, you already know you can't come in this palace. Stop playing with me. You can't come in here. Hey, Toss babes. Thank you, boo. Thank you for subscribing to me. But if you ain't up, you can't come in the palace, baby. You gotta hit that button. Hit that button. I'm gonna give you a second. You hit it? All right, come on in. Come on. Let's go get our nails done, y'all. Come on, y'all.
Really think we